For this DIY, you're going to need scrapbook paper, a wooden dowel, one of these wooden spools, a piece of ribbon. This is a piece of fabric that I just ripped. A heart form. I got this at the dollar store. It does come with tinsel wrapped around, but I just have removed that. And then you need some yarn. All right. For this DIY, you're going to need one of these hearts. And when you're at the dollar store, they come in a set of 3. It's like a wall hanging in the Valentine's section. You'll find them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just remove all of the tinsel so that I just have the I guess, the form. Yeah, that's what it's called. And then once you're done with that, it will look something like this. I would go ahead and just take off that ring for this. I've already kind of started to put my my yarn on. The hole here isn't very big, so you have to just get pieces of yarn and thread it through. But all you're gonna do is, if you've been here, you've seen me do this a million times. I love to wrap yarn around everything. So I'm just going to go all the way around as tightly as I possibly can. And then what I will do, you'll see at the end, is sometimes these little nubs will poke through. I just go through and cut them off. After you've gotten the yarn wrapped around this, then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to use your scrapbook paper and you're going to cut a piece that is 1 3/4 by 4. And what you're going to do is you're going to wrap that around the wooden spool and then hot glue it. Once you have this all done, the back doesn't look the greatest, but it doesn't look terrible either. You're going to hot glue the wooden dowel. You're going to stick it in here, and you are going to hot glue that so it looks something like this. And then when you're done with that, we're going to cut this wooden dowel however tall you want it. I'll show you what I'm doing with mine in just a second after I get it hot glued on, and then we are going to hot glue it into this dowel or this wooden spool. All right, once you get your stick all glued, I cut mine down. I'm going to just hot glue in the middle here, and I'm just going to hot glue in the middle here and then stick this dowel in there, and you're gonna have to hold it for just a second until it sticks. And then once you have that done, you're just going to take your ribbon, cut it like, I like frayed looks, so I just go through and fray it a little bit more. And the ends, you might have to cut them. And then just tie a cute little bow on here. It's really cute. I made two. I made a pink one and a white one, just like that. For the next DIY, you're going to need one of these wood tic-tac boards from Hobby Lobby. They're $3.99, but obviously you use a coupon and it comes with the board. And then these X's and O's. I'm not going to even use the board. I'm just going to use those. And I have 4 other ones, but I'm using them for another project. You need some skewers or wooden dowels. These little wooden stands I got from Hobby Lobby too. You can get them in a pack. I don't know how many are in there. You need whatever color paint you choose and a paintbrush, glue stick, and a drill. And then if you want any ribbon or yarn or whatever to kind of dress them up. All right, what we're going to do first is we are going to drill a hole so that our dowel will fit in there and hold these like this. All right, you will just do the O the same, and then once you are have the holes done, then you are going to paint them. And I chose to paint mine red, and I think that they turned out really pretty. Alright, once you have them painted, you're going to just stick your skewer in, and you can paint the dowel. I just like the natural wood color. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut these down and then hot glue them into these little, I don't know what they're called, stands. But what my idea here is that they would be really cute layered on a tier tray. So I want them to kind of be one tall and one short. and then they'll kind of stick out above other things on a tray. So I've got these cut down, and all I'm going to do is hot glue them into these little stands. All right, how cute are these? So we have one all done, and now I'm going to use this piece of fabric that I just cut, and we're just gonna tie it around the stem here. You don't want it to be too big, but big enough you can. There you go. And then here is the O. Aren't they so cute? Hey you guys, I just wanted to hop on really fast and tell you thank you for watching today's video. I really appreciate it, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. I've been working all weekend on a bunch of Valentine's Day content for you, and I'm really excited to share it with you, and I hope that you will enjoy it. So come back in a couple days for some more, and I will see you then. Bye bye.